Welcome to our YouTube channel, Ride Lovers. This video we will show you how to prepare this BMW R 1200 GS Adventure for mounting a dog bag on the backrest. So what you will need is, first of all, you need to buy a metal plate. We bought this one from Motea. It's specially designed for this model of BMW. You just remove the top box and then you place this metal piece on where the top box was mounted. And of course, to this one you also need to have a dog bag. And this one we bought from the company Deemeed. They have various sizes of bags, all depending on the weight of your dog. And this is model XS, meaning dogs from 2.2 or 2 to 5 kilograms. Okay, so let's start the work. So first of all, you need to remove the top box, and you know how that works, just with a key and slide it back. We put it aside for now, and then we take a look at the metal plate. As said before, this is special design for this model. And here you see on the bottom side of the metal plate, you have some bushings, and they are there for to reduce the vibration or minimize the vibration between the aluminium tubes in the back and the metal plate. And they are easy to mount with double-coated tape underneath the metal plate, and just place it like this. Now it's secure in place. And it's actually quite easy to mount. You will just need 3 different type of brackets and some screws. And here we start with a big bracket that goes underneath. A little bit tricky to show you exactly how to mount it, but when you see it in real life, you will see it's quite easy to find a position. And then you have 2 long screws. Just start to mount it, and this is a 5mm size. And then we secure that one a little bit, and then we take screw number 2, just put it in place, and tighten it down a little bit. Moves really well. There, secure. And make an extra turn on that one, so that's good. And now you need to mount the 2 other brackets that you will place on the far end. Also a small screw. You place the bracket underneath, and then you, as you see on the top there, you see there are a lot of holes, all depending on which model of rack you have, so it's easy to find a position where to mount it. And this is the 4mm pin, so it's easy to adjust. And then we take the second one, put it in place, find a hole, tighten it a little bit first by hand, and then we take the tool. So now the metal plate is in place. Now time for the bag. As I said, this is a bag from Deemeed for small dogs, 2 to 5 kilograms. And it's really nice bag. You have a big 2 long straps in the bottom that you will use to mount it on the metal plate. Let me just place it on the plate so you can see roughly where it will end up. It's difficult to show you exactly how we did it, but there are a lot of places underneath where you can go with these straps and mount it. And now you see the bag is in place, and here on both sides there is a hatch that you open, so you have ventilation for the dog as well, so she doesn't get too warm. And now we have our little creature who is going to be riding together with us in this bag. So first we put a leash on her, and then we just put her in the bag. And then there are 2 straps that we hook her on to her leash, so she doesn't accidentally jump out of the bag when we're driving. So there's the first, and then we take the second one. Let's see where it is, and here it is. And now she's safe. And now we just need to close the lid and take her head out in the hole. You see where I have my hand. Okay, so now everything is in place. The bag is there, the dog is there. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you find the content interesting. And now we are going to take our little sweetheart out for her premiere tour on the bike, and we really hope that she will love it.